If you're looking for a dashcam in 2026, don't just look at the word 4K. A good dashcam needs clear video during the day, strong night vision, reliable storage, useful parking protection, and enough camera coverage to capture what actually happens on the road. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best dashcams of 2026, from a 3-channel camera with cabin recording to 360-degree 4-channel coverage. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. AZDOME Max 4K 3-channel dashcam. This is a 3-channel dashcam designed to record what's happening in front of your vehicle, behind it, and inside the cabin. The front camera can record in 4K Ultra HD, while the rear camera records in up to 2.5K, and the cabin camera in 1080p, depending on the recording configuration. It also uses Sony STARVIS technology for improved low-light performance, making it a strong option for both daytime and nighttime driving. The 3-camera setup is especially useful for rideshare drivers, families, and anyone who wants more than basic front and rear protection. You also get features such as Wi-Fi, GPS, WDR, G-sensor recording, loop recording, and parking mode. Pros: 4K front recording, 3-channel coverage, front, rear, and cabin cameras, Sony STARVIS 2 technology, good night vision, Wi-Fi, and GPS. The AZDOME Max 450 Max is an excellent all-around choice if you want high-quality 4K video and complete front, rear, and cabin coverage. For rideshare drivers and families, it's particularly useful. Number 2. BOTSLAB G980H 4K STARVIS Dashcam. This is a front and rear dashcam that combines 4K front recording with a high-resolution rear camera. The G980H uses Sony IMX415 sensors and supports 4K front plus 2K rear recording in the dual camera configuration. It also includes a 64GB memory card. One of its most useful features is ADAS, or Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. The system can provide alerts for things like lane departure, forward vehicle movement, pedestrian collision risks, and following distance. You also get built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, making it easier to transfer footage and review driving information. For parking protection, the G980H supports 24/7 parking mode when paired with the appropriate hardwire kit. Pros: 4K front recording, high-resolution rear camera, Sony IMX415 sensors, ADAS safety alerts, GPS, and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. The BOTSLAB G980H is a strong choice for drivers who want 4K recording, ADAS safety features, GPS, and reliable front and rear coverage. It's a particularly good option if you don't need a cabin camera but want more advanced driving assistance. Number 3. 4K plus 4K Dual Dashcam. The biggest selling point is right in the name. Both the front and rear cameras are designed for 4K recording, giving you high-resolution footage from both directions. That can be a major advantage when you need to examine details after an accident, especially when the incident happens behind your vehicle. The package also includes a 128GB memory card, which is useful because high-resolution 4K video can consume storage quickly. Another standout feature is 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6, allowing you to transfer footage to your smartphone more quickly than older wireless connections. For drivers who mainly want excellent front and rear image quality without adding cabin or side cameras, this is an interesting option. Pros: 4K front recording, 4K rear recording, 128GB card included, Wi-Fi 6, fast wireless file transfers, excellent front and rear coverage. If front and rear video quality is your biggest priority, this dual 4K system is worth considering. It gives you excellent coverage without the complexity of a 3 or 4-channel setup. Number 4. V77 Dual Channel Dashcam. This model combines a 4K front camera with a 1080p rear camera, making it a practical option for everyday driving. It uses dual STARVIS 2 sensors, along with HDR and super night vision to improve footage in challenging lighting conditions. The camera also includes 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, BDAS, and 24-hour parking mode. The compact design makes it suitable for cars, SUVs, trucks, and even larger vehicles where you want a discrete camera setup. The front 4K camera can capture plenty of detail, while the rear camera provides an additional view of what's happening behind you. Pros: 4K front camera, 1080p rear camera, dual STARVIS 2 sensors, super night vision, HDR, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, and BDAS. The V77 is a good choice for drivers who want a compact dual-channel dashcam with 4K front recording, STARVIS 2 sensors, and strong night vision features. It's a practical, everyday option without adding unnecessary complexity. Number 5. IIWEY N6 360-degree 4-channel dashcam. If your priority is maximum coverage, this is the most interesting option on the list. Instead of only recording the front and rear, a 4-channel system can provide coverage from multiple directions around the vehicle. That means you can potentially capture incidents that happen beside the car in addition to what's happening ahead and behind. The N6 also comes with a 128GB memory card and uses 8 infrared lights for night vision, which can be particularly useful for capturing activity inside the vehicle or in low-light conditions. A 4-channel setup is especially useful for rideshare drivers, families, commercial vehicles, and anyone who wants as much evidence as possible. Pros: 4-channel recording, 360-degree style coverage, 128GB card included, 8 infrared lights for night vision. The IIWEY N6 is the choice for drivers who want maximum 360-degree style coverage rather than just maximum resolution. If you're concerned about incidents happening beside your vehicle or inside the cabin, a 4-channel system can provide much more complete protection. So, which dashcam should you buy? The AZDOME Max 450 Max is an excellent all-around choice if you want 4K video with front, rear, and cabin coverage. The BOTSLAB G980H is ideal if you want 4K recording, ADAS, GPS, and smart driving features. The 4K plus 4K dual dashcam is the one to consider if you want high-resolution recording from both the front and rear. The V77 offers a compact dual camera setup with 4K front recording, STARVIS 2 sensors, and strong night vision features. And the IIWEY N6 is the best fit if maximum 360-degree style coverage is your priority. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more product reviews and buying guides.